Well, hello there everybody and welcome back to my channel. For those who do not know, I am the Secret Yorkshire Cook, and in today's recipe tutorial we will be making veggie chili and dumplings. This is a great winter one-pan meal, and on the right hand side of the screen now you will see all of the ingredients you need to make the chili, and in a second all of the ingredients will be popping up for the dumplings. Please do feel free to pause the video so you have time to jot all of the ingredients down. It's at this point in the video, guys, that I ask if at any stage you find this video useful or entertaining, please do drop me a like, comment below, and please consider subscribing. That's all from me. Let's get into this recipe. Hey up then guys, it's only me. Thank you very much for watching all the way through to this part of the video. I really do appreciate it, and I really do appreciate your support. This veggie chili with dumplings was certainly a fun one to make, and I really enjoy making these one pan meals. Not only are they great for winter, but also you only need to wash one pan up at the end of the day, so that is a win-win. Guys, if you liked any of the pans or anything that I use in this video, if anything has taken your fancy, there are links below in the description. Anything bought through those links really does help my channel. And the last thing to say, guys, is please do stay safe in these crazy times. Keep cooking, and I'll see you next Sunday.